Vashon Patterson in the EPIC training program. Before I entered the program, I was unemployed, trying to go back to school. Got a letter in the mail telling me about this program.
Vashon came into EPIC about 2.5 years ago. He came on pretty early on. It took a moment to kind of get him to unwind and really take heed to what EPIC was offering. But once he successfully completed that first certification, he was kind of thrusted out and was really geeked about having something tangible to add to his resume. So he pursued his second welding certification.
Because I'm doing welding, the construction part of it was very helpful. Earned 2 welding certificates and working on the third one.
So we paired him with AmeriCorps, which would award you a $5,500 education stipend after successfully completing 700 hours of community service in a sense. And so he was placed at our food pantry, and he works at the food pantry Monday through Friday.
Now I'm working for AmeriCorps and trying to go back to school, but I want to get into engineering. Well, with the stipend we get from here, that's helping me pay for my classes. So we work at the pantry, we make boxes. We basically fill the boxes with stuff, food, canned goods, cheese. Sit them right here and give them to the people when they come through.
Works at our food pantry, which delivers or gives out about 2,000 boxes per week on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So he is currently in the final welding certification program at our local college. After he successfully completes that program, he intends on pursuing his associates in welding.
Been very helpful helping people out, learning new things that I never learned before. Helped me get back in the workforce.